Welcome to a brief overview of Samelane LMS. In this video, we will guide you through the available features of the course creator, along with their detailed description. You will also find several useful tips on how to fully utilize the potential of self-created courses. As an administrator, in order to create a new course, you need to log into the admin panel. Go to the Courses tab in the menu on the left, and click the New Course button. In the next step, you will be able to choose one of the following types of courses. Standard e-learning. Exam, with single and multiple choice questions to verify knowledge of the Academy's users. Event, where you can choose whether the course will take place in a classroom, will be held as a webinar, or a hybrid. Or AR instructions, which allow you to conduct training using AR technology. In the next step, you as the administrator, should enter the course objectives. Course name. Keywords, so the users can find the course in search engine. And category, to which the course will be assigned. In addition, there are fields where you can enter information, such as course description, brief information about what users can expect from the course. What are the gains of completing the course? And what are the requirements to start the course? After navigating to the settings section, you can enter the following. Course language. Approximate time needed for course completion. Course chapters play order. Accessing completed chapters. Selecting Yes enables the user to return to previous lessons and repeat them at any time. View the course in the course library. If Yes is checked, the created course will be added to the training library. Users will be able to enroll without having to assign the course to an account. And graphics, that will be displayed on the course preview page. The administrator can grant course access for all or just the selected organizational units in the Access section. You create the training content in the Content section using the drag and drop tool. You can move tiles corresponding to different types of content, article, audio, presentation, test, SCORM file, and video from the menu on the left to the content field visible on the right. All changes made to content should be saved by clicking the Save Changes button. It is displayed on each item. In the certification step, you can add a certificate of course completion by entering its title, background, and content. Additionally, you can enter some dynamically changing elements by clicking the Add Field button. All information will be automatically retrieved from the Academy. The next step is adding a feedback option. You can edit the title here, choose sending time, and add questions aimed at collecting as much information as possible. You can use the collected data to improve your course. In the final step, you can publish the course or save it as a sketch. Once published, the course is ready. You can learn more about the course creator and available features in the knowledge base. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to learn more about well-matched selection of Samelane LMS features.